The participants at the training were drawn from secretariats, departments and agencies of the FCT Administration that generate and remit revenue to the administration. The two-day workshop, according to the Director of Funds Revenue of the FCTA Treasury Department, Mrs. Unigwe Anthonia, is in line with the intention of the Minister of the FCT, Barrister Ezenwo to enhance the IGR potential of the territory for better service delivery.
The Treasury Department once again deem it necessary as a matter of responsibility and urgency to bring all the revenue-generating agencies together to brainstorm on new migration from TSA to commercial bank. You know, we are all here. As we go onto this workshop, we have our problems, our challenges in our various SDAs. So as we go on, yes, we will try, the banks are here. They will bring to you what is expected of you. And whatever you think that we can add to what we have, or challenges encounters, please endeavor to bring it to table so that at the end of the day, we all be on the same page.
Representatives from the respective commercial banks that will work with the FCT administration on this speak on some of the possibilities from the workshop.
For us as Zenith Bank, we are committed to ensuring that we bring our expertise on various product offerings towards achieving the laudable objectives of the Honorable Minister, who of course is our chief host, His Excellency Barrister Ezenwo.
We've already deployed what we refer to as BAMs. I'm not going to go into details of that, but part of what it will do for, or what it's already doing for FCT is, at the press of a button, the key operatives in FCT are able to see the total revenues collected within a period.
UBA, we are ready to collaborate with the FCT Minister to see that revenue is collected the way it should be, such that FCTA will get enough money to fund projects in the city. Our desire is to see that Abuja FCT is #1 in the world.
It will be recalled that the FCT administration, through the Minister, Barrister Ezenwo, sought and got presidential approval for FCT administration to be removed from the TSA policy, which makes it possible for the administration to generate and manage its own internally generated revenue for service delivery. Usman Katun Umar, ASO Television News.